Alrighty, folks, we're doing another inspection, and boy, I'm going to tell you what they did. It looks like they did a pretty bang up job on these stairs, but bang up is probably the right word. So we actually got this. My landing is being supported with this 2x4. Okay, I guess that's halfway all right. But look here, it's being supported right there on my stair tread. My stair tread. They're not designed to hold weights of landings. This is what we call. Okay, stupid contractor award. Stupid contractor award. They win. They win. Wow. I bet this carpenter felt sad. He did all this hard work making these stairs look so good. And then some jackleg carpenter come back in here behind him and did that. You know, I guarantee you the man that did this here knew what he was doing. He knew better, but now look at look at this. Oh, you're not gonna believe this. This is good. Oh, did you see that mouse in there? Did you see that? I said, oh, hope I caught that. But look here, we got it shimmed up like this. What do you think? This is, whoa, this is bad, real bad. Anyway, folks, hey, we got airwood. I love my airwood. See that? Airwood. That's being supported by the air. Good. Hey, that's just as good as this other crap over here. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching our videos. And another stupid contractor award. You just can't get it. You can't make this up. You can't. And the trouble is, they vote. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.